What's up everybody, Shades here. Hope you all had a very good Christmas. It is currently December 26th. It's about 11 p.m. now, and in this video I'm going to be product testing a few things for you guys. But before I dive into that, I want to show you guys one of the things I got for Christmas, which is this M&M hat. Shout out to my girlfriend's brother and my girlfriend. This is pretty tight. It's a M&M hat. Pretty cool. I really do like it. They had it custom made, I believe. So shout out to them. Let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite gift was for Christmas. With that being said, let's hop straight into product testing. Up first, I couldn't do this on video. This was something that my girlfriend got for her birthday and she drank it at work. This is Monster Dragon Tea. I tried a few sips. I didn't really like it at all. What this reminded me of was just a standard beer. It even smelled like one too. Right now, this has a small hint of tea to it. But if I were to rate this, I'd honestly rate it a 1 out of 10. That's about it with that. Up next, we got Toscana Viaggio. Basically what these are Italian cookies. Show you guys a tin here. So this was something that I got on Christmas, and I've never tried these before. So this should be interesting. So I believe in here we have 2 packs of whatever these cookies are, and then we have another one that I haven't opened yet. So we're gonna try whatever these are. Show you guys. There you go. They don't really have a smell. Show you guys one up close here. So what this kind of reminds me of, just by looking at it, is a toaster strudel. Sorry about the light. They're really dry. Might have to try another one. So right off the bat, they kind of remind me of a vanilla wafer, you know? They have pink ones and vanilla ones. And I think they have chocolate ones too. I haven't had any of those in a long time, to be honest. But they kind of got the same texture, you know? It's what they kind of remind me of a little bit. try another one here though. They don't really taste like anything though, you know? If I had to describe it as something else, it'd have to be maybe if you've left a toaster strudel out for a few days and then tried eating that after it was hardened and everything like that. This would be it. But yeah, as you can see, there's nothing really inside of it, you know? I don't know how well you guys can see that, to be honest, but they also have some coating up on them as well, you know? So you guys can kind of see there, that brown stuff. I don't know what it is, to be honest. Let's see what the box says, or the tin, I shall say. So, and here we got glazed puff pastry, and we have sugar-topped puff pastries, and then we have shortbread. Okay. So, okay. So yeah, we got 3 different kinds of cookies actually. So I'm guessing these ones might be the glazed puff pastries, whatever you want to call them. They're kind of boring though, you know? I'd rate that though maybe a 7 out of 10, you know? They're not bad by any means, they're just not something that if I were going out to look for a dessert, they wouldn't be something that I'd buy right off the bat, you know? There's of course other things out there that I'd enjoy much more than these, but like I was saying, they aren't bad by any means. Maybe if you had some ice cream, that might help. But if you're just eating them plain, not too much to them. Alright. So these are sugar-topped puff pastries, or Spaghettine Zuccherates. Guess that's Italian, I don't know. Let's see what we got, shall we? Jeez. Hold up. Oh, okay, I'm liking this. Look at that, that looks nice. I don't know how well you guys can see that, I don't want to spill them. Kind of remind me of the pies that McDonald's used to sell for about $1 back in the day. I know Walmart sells them now, at least my Walmart does. Jeez, dude, they're falling apart. Alright, yeah. Smells like apple, so yeah, it's kind of what these remind me of. So yeah, still kind of plain, like the other cookies. Man, these are so bland, dude. Kind of bugging my stomach. I don't really want to eat another one, but I'd probably rate this one, or these ones, a 7 out of 10 as well. Just like the other ones, not too much to them at all. Probably want ice cream or milk with them as well. If I were to describe them to something, I'd go with the McDonald's pies that they used to sell back in the day, years ago, about 15 years ago, give or take. I know Walmart sells them, like I was saying, so you guys probably know what I mean. For the last one here, we got round. Well, thanks. Just says round. Guess they're round cookies, I'm guessing. I have no clue. Oh. These really are round cookies. Look at that. Not too excited to try them, to be honest. So, you guys cannot see it too well, you know, but you got a light one here, and then this one's kind of darker, this middle one, and then it goes light again. So, I think this one was kind of overcooked or something. Yeah. The one beneath it is light colored, and then this one's darker. So, guess we'll try the dark one. Kind of smells like butter. I was going to compare it to those really bland cookies. I don't know what they're called. I'd have to go to the store and kind of search for them, so you guys kind of know what I'm talking about. But yeah, they smell like butter. Huh. Mmm. Okay. Third bite was a hit. Like tasting butter, you know? Alright. Kind of redeemed themselves right there. So out of all the cookies that I just tried, I think this one might be the best one. As I drop one and then it splits in half. Look at that. Barely dropped and then it split in half. So, if I were to compare these to something, it'd have to be a vanilla wafer. You know, those wafers that you get in a box. They're yellow, or the box is yellow. And then they're kind of crackers, but they're cookies, you know? If you guys were to go to the store, you probably know what I'm talking about. But if you were to smash those down dough-wise, kind of into how these cookies look, you know. This would be them. If that makes sense. If I were to rank these cookies, I'd give them a score of 7 out of 10. They're not as boring as the other ones I tried, you know. I mean, they're still boring, but they got an aftertaste to them. So out of all those 3 cookies, that one would be first. Hold up. And then the apple crisp type one would be second. And the third one would be the first one I tried. Moving on to the next item that I don't actually have is going to be a drink I tried months ago. It was, I believe it was, let me think for a minute here, Rockstar, and the flavor was marshmallow. That was honestly the best drink I've ever tried. I score that a 10 out of 10. When you take a sip of that, you can taste marshmallows all the way. And it's not bad marshmallows, it's really good hints of marshmallow in there. They don't even overdo it either. So if you guys ever see Marshmallow Rockstar, pick that drink up. I score it higher than all the Raze energy drinks. I score it more than all the Monsters I've tried, to be honest. Shout out to Rockstar, they hit that thing spot on. Moving on to the last item I have. These are called David's Cookies. So basically what these are double chocolate chip pecan melt-away cookies. I'm not really too excited to try these because I do not like pecans or even peanuts in my cookies. When my mom used to make chocolate chip cookies, she'd put nuts in them, like peanuts and whatnot, and I absolutely hated that when I was growing up. There we go. So, they're pretty well packed here. Show you guys real quick before I continue here, yeah. You do got a lot of them that are kind of broken, so that kind of sucks. It is what it is though. Kind of reminded me of a powdered donut. They smell good. Or even those powdered cookies, you know. I don't know about you guys, but my mom used to bake powdered cookies a whole bunch when I was growing up. I never really liked them, to be honest. Ugh. Woo. So, whew. Starting out there, when I put it in my mouth, I got a huge whiff and taste of powder. And as I started biting into it, I got a hint of chocolate that I really liked. I honestly didn't taste any of the nuts, which I really did like. And as I continued biting into it, it took me a while to actually get that thing down, and I was kind of starting to lose breath, you know. I'm not a real dessert guy. I'm not really a fan of any desserts. I honestly hate sweets and hate desserts. I know. But as a kid, I used to eat them a whole bunch, you know. But this did take me a while to kind of scarf down and everything like that. Started losing breath, but in the end, I actually did like this. I'm gonna try another one here. But yeah, I like those, but it's just a lot of chewing, you know. Even with that small one that was about that big, just kind of tires my mouth out, you know. I'd rate those ones though about a 7.5, either a 7 or 8, give or take. Um, Not bad by any means. I just don't. I don't know. I don't really enjoy powder cookies too much. If they were to take off the powder, it'd be a whole different story. But because they have powder, I rate them like that. Whew. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video. Sorry that it took me 23, 24 minutes now to go through all of this. Once again, hope you all had a very good Christmas. Hope you all are staying safe and have a good one. Peace out.